What are you going to learn in our N5 beginner course? We have the Japanese basic greetings and expression. You are also going to introduce yourself in Japanese. You are going to learn 800 words Japanese vocabulary. You're going also to learn Japanese grammar, and we will have Japanese sentence structure and pattern, how to make Japanese sentence. And also we will have conjugation of verb and adjective, your present, past, future, past progressive form, and also we have Japanese particle. Okay, in Japanese letter, we have three kinds of writing. We have the hiragana, the katakana, and the kanji. And then we have translation. Okay, translation. We are also going to do the reading, the writing, and listening. And also, we're going to have conversation. Of course, you have to practice your conversation skills when it comes to your Japanese. We will also going to share to you some Japanese culture. And also, this is important, practice of drills and quizzes. We will going to have that. And sometimes we also do our contest for practice. Now, the inclusion for Asha Gakko, we have free PDF files or your soft copies lesson, free mock exam. Also, we will have video recorded lesson, and also we are doing the assistance of JLPT exam application and also the review preparation. Our lesson references, I'm using the Genki book, Genki workbook, and we have the audio for Irodori. This is downloaded Irodori book for audio, and the Japanese dictionary.